Welcome to My Tech KBS. In this video, I will show you how you can install and uninstall gedit text editor in your Ubuntu operating system. Okay, so let's start. Open your terminal. There is a shortcut key Alt Control T. Okay, maximize it. Now type one command sudo apt install gedit. Press enter. Type your system password. Press Y to allow. It's now it's done. Okay, open your gedit text editor. Type this command, press enter, gedit. Here it is. Welcome to my tag KBS. So guys, this way we can use this text editor. Now, there is another way to open this GTEC text editor in Ubuntu operating system. So press one key, Alt F2. Here just type gedit, enter. Here also you can hello all. Okay. Now we will see how to uninstall gedit text editor in Ubuntu. So type one command sudo apt purge gedit. There's a typo. Press enter. Y to allow. We will execute two more command for the cleanup. Sudo apt clean sudo apt auto remove. Just to make sure this gedit text editor is uninstalled or not. Type one command gedit. There it is. So this is properly uninstalled. So in this video, we have seen so far how to install and uninstall gedit text editor. All right, buddy. That is all for this episode. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more upcoming video. Thanks for watching. I will come back in the next video.